Alright, Lee, just recording this here, but all you really have to do is log into the main server. Go ahead and open up, whichever one you want to change. In this case, I'm gonna do Pedro, mine's okay. So you're gonna make sure you have everything closed, right? Close AnyDesk, right? Then just open it up again, okay? Once you open it, you're gonna go ahead and click on this little three-line thing, then settings. Then you're gonna security, and then unlock security settings, and then here you have to put the word password. Okay, so just like that, password all lowercase, authenticate. That's gonna open this up for you. Right, you're gonna want to you're already on security, so it's right here, permission profile, right? So you see how this is not checked. So this is a default profile, it's not checked. What you're gonna want to do is go ahead and start clicking on every single one of those. Full access is not on, is still unchecked, and keep checking until you find the one that's checked. The one you find is checked, that means that's the one that has the password. So what you want to do is go ahead and uncheck, okay, and then go ahead and just recheck it again, and that's gonna ask you for now a new password. Here, you just type in whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to type in the word cash flow, cash flow for now, right? All capital C and capital F for cash flow, and hit OK. That's it. That one already has a password, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead and close this out now, and then you can just test it. If you want to, you can go ahead and test it back. And here, go to now to straight to Pedro's server right here. Now it should ask us for a password. So I'm gonna go ahead and take in cash flow. Okay, go, done. Now I'm in. All right, it's just as simple as that. Okay, I'm going to send you this recording.